country people now welcome back to my channel today. Ike don't come out come call out Phyna and Pere, and also Pere don't come out to come give the fans free tickets for a movie where we say they come. And lastly, Doyin don't come out come discuss about how post show after Big Brother, how the thing they affect their lives. So Pere movie premiere wey be say dey call the silent intruder. The movie dey come out dey air for cinema on the 9th of February, which is a few days from now, 2 days from now. So im come say make e do some kindness for im fans, patriots wey be say wan watch the movie. So according to him, e come for a Twitter handle come say, I will be gifting out 50 tickets to see The Silent Intruder in cinemas February 9th. 25 tickets at the Ikeja City Mall location and 25 tickets at the Film House Cinema in Lekki Phase 1, courtesy of Mrs. Oyempi. Want to know how you can be part of that 50? Watch out for more information on here. So when he dropped the information about how to secure the free ticket to watch the movie, I go let una know. But congratulations to Pere anyways. I'm wishing him well. So according to Doyin, for her interview with channels wey be say she talk about the post-show effect. Say after they come out from Big Brother house, say a lot of things they go on with them. Say if you person wey be say not this strong mentally, say it go affect you in a very negative way. He say when it comes to finances, say yes, after the show, their brand influenced, they pay them a lot of money. Say, but when it comes to the mental health issue, say she go advise anybody wey be say not dey strong enough, make the person not bother to go enter Big Brother at all. Make una listen to wetin she talk for herself.
Pay you so much money just to bring awareness to their brands or to whatever it is, service they're providing or product they're selling, and people make a lot of money from that. But you asked about how life has been. If I'm talking about finance, it's been good. I can't complain, I thank God. But the mental health part of post-show, I keep saying it, if you're not like mentally grounded, and you're not sure about who you are and you know what type of person you are, and you still have like issues with like your mental health, I would not advise you to go on that show, because as much as it could make you, it can also break you, because now there's a lot of like criticism about your life. Like everybody has an opinion about what you wear, what you do, who you date, what you say, things that regular people would do and nobody would care. So just know that once you come out of the show, you don't really have freedom of speech like that. So yeah, it's good and bad, but I'll say the good has outweighed the bad.
I don't hear Doyin now. The truth be say, Doyin get a point for which she dey talk, because most of the time, the kind of hate comment wey be say people they give all these housemates, both for their DM online, the type of things wey they hear is not really easy. It takes a very, very, very strong person to fit overcome all that backlash wey be say they come after the show. So onto Ike matter with Pere and Phyna. As we all know, Nigeria, they play their match today and they win South Africa. So few days ago, Grammy Award come up and it turned out that South Africa, their artists wey they call Thailand, I beat our Nigerian artists. So Ike come say make e negotiate with the South Africans to balance the equation. So he come say, he come to the handle, come say give us Tyler and take Pere AB, we can add Phyna. So that statement, some people take am as joke, while some carry am for head like gala. As we all know, sometimes when e come with we Nigerians, we no dey sabi know when to stop to the joke and when to dey serious. To me, I believe say Ike was just joking. After all, Ike na friends with Pere, so definitely I believe just saying and Phyna dey in good terms, na just for fun. But whichever one wey be say im mean congratulations to our Super Eagles, and congratulations too to South African players, because those guys, they really did a good job. They try for the ball wey be say they play against us, and both countries represent their countries perfectly well. So una take care, una bye.